Your credit card promises you up to 15% rewards, but in case you are making any of these three mistakes, you are probably earning a fraction of it and sometimes even losing money. Let's fix that in under 5 minutes. First mistake, using the wrong card for the wrong spend. Most people use that one card for everything. But you should know that there are specific cards for specific categories like travel, fuel, cashback, online shopping, offline retail. Let's take the SBI cashback card for example. It has different cashback capping for online and offline spends. If you are only using the card for your online purchases, you are leaving half of its potential on the table. So know what your card is actually good at and plan your spending accordingly. Second mistake, spending where your card doesn't reward. Every credit card has an exclusion list. That is, categories it won't simply reward on. So rent, fuel, utilities, insurance are few common examples, but the exact list varies card to card. For example, you pay 50,000 rent using a credit card that excludes rent. It means you are actually earning 0 rupees in rewards, and on top of that, banks may charge you convenience fee. So, before using a card, think, is it actually right for the category you are spending on? So, before making a big payment, take 10 seconds to check. Does this card actually reward this category? Third mistake, paying only the minimum due amount. Credit card interest in India can run as high as 54% annually. So even if you are earning 5% back as rewards, you may be paying 8 to 10 times of that in interest on the rest of your balance. So pay the full statement before your due date every single time. And if you are prone to forgetting, set up an auto pay and remove yourself from that equation. Tracking reward caps, exclusions, and the right card for the right payment can be difficult, especially if you have multiple credit cards. But that's where SaveSage helps you. It tells you the best card for every payment, tracks your rewards automatically, helps you get the best out of every rupee you spend. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe. And to actually put these pointers into practice, check out the SaveSage app. Link is in our bio.